So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I'm going to type here what should I type, 1F6BA. Okay, type like this, 1F6BA. After that I'm going to select this. Then the next step is that in my keyboard this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So I type this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that this symbol have been added, that is the symbol of a woman's restroom. The symbol have been erect. So these are used for washrooms, restrooms, etc. for women. So this symbol you can create by using this keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word. So remember, the Word shortcut for women's room symbol is 1F6BA, and after that you must press the Alt key and S key at the same time. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.